Hello, today we're talking about the states of matter. Specifically, we're going to be answering the essential question of what is the relationship between energy and the states of matter. So, first off, we have the conservation of mass. Mass cannot be created or destroyed. This is also very similar to the conservation of energy, where energy cannot be created or destroyed. So keep that in mind as we go through this. So we have three states of matter. They are solid, liquid, and gas. Each of these has its own energy. So connected to the energy is its movement. So we have a solid which vibrates. So remember, solids vibrate, liquids slide, and gases bounce. Gases are going to bounce against each other and against whatever container they are in, whether that's a room, whether that's a glass container like what you're looking at on the screen. So solids vibrate, liquids slide, gases bounce. Thinking about that, which one has the least amount of movement? A vibration, a slide, or a bounce? Hopefully you are thinking a vibration. That is the smallest movement, which means that a solid has the least amount of energy. Going from that, liquids are in the middle and gases have the most amount of energy. So we have three states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and as we go from one state of matter to the next, for example, solid to liquid, liquid to gas, or gas to solid, it changes the amount of energy that the state of matter has. So we're going to go over some vocab words for what each term is. So when you go from a solid to a liquid, it's called melts. When you go from a liquid to a gas, it is called evaporation. From a gas to a solid, it is called deposition. One way to remember this and to help you pronounce it is, we know this famous actor, Johnny Depp. Deposition. So if we switch our arrows around and instead of going from a solid to a liquid, liquid to gas, gas to solid, we're going to go reverse. So if you have a solid and it becomes a gas, that is through the process of sublimation. A gas to a liquid is called condensation. And a liquid to a solid is called freeze. Now coming up, we're going to bring in some dry ice and you'll be able to see sublimation in person. So dry ice goes straight from a solid to a gas. Now you need to remember this key vocab term, sublimation. Practice saying it, practice writing it. We've got sublimation, sublimation, sublimation.